17 years in the cold, cold ground, their existential angst prolonged. White, pigmentless, naked nymphal bodies, hideous piercing mouthparts. Siphoning sap from tree roots, toiling in dark dirt. For what? Their emergence finally unsynchronized with predators? Just to fuck? And to meet the terrible death of fungal pathogens? Their abdomen slowly replaced with spores while alive. Nice! Cicada periodicity has evolved separately 8 times. Every brood cycle is 13 or 17 years, both numbers prime. Evolution has used primality cleverly. Mathematicians have discovered lots of things about prime numbers. But what does it mean to discover something about numbers, about math? What does it mean for evolution to use numbers? Science studies things that exist in space and time apart from us. In what sense do numbers exist without us, alone in space and time? Math, a theory of the logical end of counting. Here I will offer number theory for cicada consolation. These blind naked nymphs, these dirt-bound wretches are drone automata. Without counting, no numbers, no existential angst.